Tell me how Devin takes me for the hit in his car for the first time, and you get pulled over. Isn't that crazy? Like, looking at me, you get pulled over. This is a YouTube short right here. This is a YouTube short. Downpipe, not even exhaust, nothing. Boom, pulled over,
like,
bro. Not even speeding, nothing.
Yeah! We're gonna write the ECU. We've inserted our SD card, so we're gonna hit OK. This is our tune here. We're gonna press OK. Now this is where this shit usually gives us an issue. Let's see if it works. Currently unavailable. What is going on, guys? Devin here, back again with another video, and today we are doing some more crazy shit to the end, okay? Today we're gonna be going over to my boy John. We're gonna be getting some more goodies installed. We're gonna be getting our spark plugs installed, and we're also gonna be setting up our EK1, because boys, we are tuning the Elantra N finally. Finally, we're tuning this car. No more BS. I drove it stock for 1 year, no downpipe, nothing. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it stock. The stock tune was amazing. The stock downpipe sounds amazing. But it's time to have fun. So we're gonna go ahead, take our car over to John, and we are going to start getting this thing ready to shoot some insane flames. I will get back up with you guys when I have an update. Well, this would be my luck. Drove all the way over here, 2-hour drive. Car is disgusting. Woke up the next morning, driving 8% tire pressure. 8 tire pressure. However you say it, dog. I don't know. I'm pissed off. So now I'm just gonna go see what's going on with this thing. Oh my god. Oh. It's worse. Yeah, bro. Alright, so I got the tire fixed. Now let's go ahead and give this thing a little bit of a wash so it doesn't look disgusting when we go to get our parts installed. Look at how damn nasty this is. Oh my god! Black ass dirt coming straight from the tire, dog. Oh my god. I don't even have any supplies, boys. I'm just watering this joint. I'm gonna put a little bit of soap on it and we're gonna pray. Black on black? Like, are you kidding me? X-Force exhaust, like, bro.
Stickers on the end?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, a lot of people don't see it. You're at 10K on it?
10K, yeah. What's like the average? You're supposed to change them out.
So technically, if you get tuned,
Yeah.
people say like every 15K.
She built me up like her dad Handy Manny. Walls on my head so you never can ram me.
We say in this industry a lot, it's cake.
It's cake.
It's easy work.
Light work. That's about the hardest part, getting it out the bag. Here.
So we plug this connector into here.
Okay.
Your EK1's gonna plug into this.
EK1 plugs into here.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you got this bad boy here.
Okay.
This is gonna plug into your EK1 as well.
That's also gonna plug into
And
EK1.
you're gonna
Okay.
plug this to your battery.
That
so
goes
you
to
can
the
get
battery.
Power to it. It is this one.
All right, here we go. Time to void that warranty. Holy. All right, so I just pulled up to my boy's house. We just finished setting up the EK1. Did you already change it? Damn! Wait, this nigga's fast. All right, so we have everything set up now. We've done this probably about 5 times, so we are gonna hope that it finally works this time. Let's go ahead and power on the EK1. Boom. All right, EK1's gonna turn on. I thought my car was on, but it's his. All lights, AC, all that stuff is turned on. This noise is normal. It is annoying, but it is normal. It's very scary. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and we go to power mode. We're gonna write the ECU. We've inserted our SD card, so we're gonna hit OK. This is our tune here. We're gonna press OK. Now this is where this shit usually gives us an issue. Let's see if it works. Currently unavailable. Nice. Now I've got to send them another email and figure out what is going on now. I mean, we've done this like 5 times, bro. I don't get it. Sorry to interrupt, but the clips that you guys just saw of me failing to write my tune onto the ECU was completely my fault. Accidentally provided Cherry with the wrong serial number, or the wrong EK1 serial number ID for my EK1, so obviously it wasn't working. But thank the Lords above me that the car did not just write the tune and break my ECU, because I would have had to grab my jewels and prayed, brother, because I would have been carless. You guys would have seen me back in the Honda Accord that I used to be bussing in.
What do you say fuck me for?
But anyway, we fixed up the EK1 serial number. They resent the tune to me and it works like no other now. Guys, the tune is not... Listen to me, right? If you have an Elantra N and you're on the fence about tuning, just tune it. The car pulls now, guys. I feel like I'm gliding now. It is actually stupid. Every time I press on the gas, I'm getting above 20 pounds of boost. Every single time. No more octane learning bullshit. I'm gonna put a load of sound clips in for you guys. I'll also do a little driving POV so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like. But guys, the car is nuts. It's absolutely nuts now. The pops are aggressive. The way it pulls is aggressive. The idle sounds way meaner. The only thing is I do have to ask them to put my cold start back because I do miss the cold start. I loved waking up in the morning and hearing that shit scream. So I'm definitely gonna have to ask for a cold start back. But other than that, guys, the tune has been absolutely insane. All right, so this is what everyone was waiting for. We're finally gonna get some sound clips for you guys with the 2025 tuned Elantra N, guys. And the cherry pops are ridiculous. Just wait. That's Logan in front of me. That's Logan in front of me. His tune is coming soon. But the car just feels totally different now. The 20 pounds of boost. Oh my god, I'm shivering, bro. It's cold. Holy. I gotta get the booty warmer. You want the booty warmer? Having the 23, or I don't know if it's 20 or 23 pounds of boost, having that every single time I step on the gas now is ridiculous. This thing pulls. It's so different from stock. So different. And the pops sound ridiculous. I don't know what Cherry does to this car, but it's disrespectful. Like, listen to this. I'm gonna go for a little shift here and just let off, like, watch for the downshift now, right? Like, come on. Like, come on. Ridiculous. They sound actually ridiculous. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I would not want to hear this car from the outside, because inside it's like, it's low-key a lot.
Hungry.
Boys, them boys went for Chili's.
Oh, that's hot.
Like, I'm not gonna lie, it is a little bad right now. I might have to ask them to tone the pops down because, I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna get pulled over at some point. The exhaust is illegal. So we're getting pulled over right now for modified exhaust. I still have the stock exhaust on this car, so I don't know. Alright guys, we're about to go under a bridge. Let's hear how loud we can get these pops into the bridge. Wait, is there a bathroom?
Is there a bathroom? What?
I need a bathroom, I need a bathroom.
Hey, yo. He's gotta do something.
Cock is hard.
Whoa.
Oh, you heard him? Giving some revs off
That
for you
boy's
guys.
revving the GR86.
Yeah.
Put the camera on him, put the camera on him.
Give me some more.
Get it on him.
Give me some more. Yes, sir.
Let's put the windows up. Let me show you guys how the pops sound with the windows up. You ready?
Interior popping. Oh, man.
That's fucking barely 3K RPM.
Scheiße.
Like, bro.
Oh my god. Huh?
The GR86, look.
Peep them.
Oh yeah,
In the
we're on
rain.
their ass. Let's turn up, boys. It's right there. Oh wait, are they lining up? Wait. I was wrong, never mind. Dude, the pops are slow. I'm sorry, I'm not even talking, guys.
There's a red line in that, Johnny.
Ooh, ay, papi.
Are you homosexual?
Yo, that shit sounds nice as fuck. What is that, a BRZ type
Yeah,
S?
BRZ.
Do you guys know what that is? Did this man put badges on his car, or is that like an actual thing? All right, here we go under the bridge again. Here we go. Yeah! This shit's never gonna get old, bro.
I be with Kaya, bitch, you be with Fammy. Ballin' so hard, feel like I put my hamstring. My niggas Muslim, don't be with a ham. She don't need BBL, it's my name on her fanny. VVS songs, I went diamond, no Grammy.